I'm Miss Donna from the Bemis Public Library. Today I want to share with you one of my most favorite books called Pete's a Pizza. This book is by William Steig, and this book has won the Clell Bell Award. Clell stands for Colorado Libraries for Early Literacy, and they focus on 5 winners every year. One for read, write, sing, talk, and play. Those are some early literacy skills that we can do now to get our kids ready to read. And this book won for play, because in this book, Pete's really sad that it started to rain and he can't go out and play with his friends. So his dad's trying to cheer him up, and he decides to turn Pete into a pizza. And he does all these silly things, like he starts kneading the dough, which, you know, he's kind of pressing on his son's back, and he puts the oil on the crust, which in this case is really just water. And then, you know, he decides to put toppings on the pizza. So, for example, he puts checkers on Pete. He sprinkles checkers, and they pretend that it's tomatoes. And when he wants to add the cheese, he uses ripped up pieces of paper to pour onto Pete, the pizza. And the story continues, and he bakes the pizza on the couch, and he slices the pizza with his hand, and of course the pizza laughs. So it's a really fun book that gets your kids using their imagination and playing. And we're hoping that maybe you could turn your kiddo into a pizza and have some fun. And then I'm going to show you how to make little individual pizza snacks using biscuit dough. And I'm even going to show you, in case you have little kids, a few tickle rhymes that you can do at home. So I hope you have a great day, and continue to watch the video for those extra fun things. Hi everyone, I hope you've had a chance to read Pete's a Pizza and possibly pretend to be a pizza with someone you love. And now I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to make a little pizza snack. You can use either regular sized biscuits such as these, or the Grand's biscuits, but I think the little ones work better. You can let the kids kind of use their fingers to stretch the dough and make it just a little bit wider. I like to then lay it down on a mat and either use a cup and kind of make a little dip so the sauce doesn't spill, or again, you can have the kids kind of build up the edges with their fingertips. Then you have an assortment of toppings you might want on your pizza. I'm going to use sauce, Canadian bacon, mushrooms, and cheese. Maybe you want pepperoni or pineapple, I'm not sure. So have your kiddos just grab a spoon, put some sauce on their pizza the way they like it. Grab their toppings, give a little sprinkle. I like these mushrooms. Stick them on. Try not to let everything spill out of the sides. And then, of course, the best part, cheese. So, there you go. There's one little pizza made on the mat. So you finish making all your little pizzas. You have your oven preheated to whatever temperature the biscuit company recommends, and then you bake them. And when they come out, here's a sample of what you'll have. These are the little biscuits and the Grands. But like I said, I think the little biscuits just suit the kids better, and the Grands are just so thick that you need a lot more sauce. So I'd stick with the little biscuits, see how it goes, let the kids use their fingers to make a mess and have a snack and enjoy your day. Hey everyone, hopefully you had a chance to read Pete's a Pizza with your kiddos, and if you had the big kids, maybe you made the little mini pizzas. And now I'm going to teach you a few tickle rhymes to do with the littles. So the first one, we start out by counting 1, 2, 3, and we tap their knees and we say tickle your knees. And then we go 4, 5, 6, and we tap on their tummy, and then we pick up sticks right on their tummy. And for 7, 8, 9, we go up, 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 and we say you're all mine, and we tickle them. So let's try it. We start at the knees. 1, 2, 3, tickle your knees. 4, 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, 9, you're all mine, and you tickle them all over. All right, let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, tickle your knees. 4, 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, 9, you're all mine, and you get them. All right, I'm going to teach you one more. It's called Round and Round the Garden. You can round and round on their tummies, on their backs. You can do it on their hands if you're holding them, but I'll do it on their tummies, and then we go either up onto their armpits or up under their chin and tickle them at the end. So here we go. So we go round and round the garden, goes the teddy bear, up a step, tickly under there. And then we come with the mouse, and you can go the same spot or a different spot. And we say, round and round the garden, goes the little mouse, up a step, into his little house, and you tickle him. All right, one more time. Start with the teddy bear. Round and round the garden, goes the teddy bear, up a step, tickly under there. Yeah, and then you get him laughing. All right, and then we have the mouse. Round and round the garden, goes the little mouse, up a step, into his little house, and you tickle him. So hopefully you guys had fun learning a few new fun things with the Bemis Public Library. Have a good day.